Hey guys, welcome back. Just want to share with you guys the wild side of Lake Fayetteville that you can only experience in certain condition. Typically, Gunnar and I walk this area on a on and off routine. We'll try to do this once or twice a week, but we love coming out here. The wild side of Lake Fayetteville, though, only happens if it rains really hard. So you want to come out here and experience it. For this particular video, I'm not going to do any voiceover. I'm not going to play any music. I'm just going to let the sound of energy of the water take you and enjoy, okay? Alright, so you guys see the top? I'm going to take you guys down to the bottom of the falls. So this is like a really secret spot that only a few locals knew. Just kidding, I think everybody knows, but nobody posts it. So, go down towards locomotion here. There's going to be a little turn off that you can go to the bottom of the falls. Originally you crossed, but I think they got a hazard sign that you cannot go, I think because of erosion and how dangerous it was. But let me show you a safer spot. You can see it above there, you see the bridge. Where were we just at? Yeah, the water is roaring right now. We're gonna, I think there's some people who just left. This is a little entryway. I don't know how dangerous this is. I don't want to let Gunnar go off trail just yet, but it's not bad. Not as many as I thought. Okay. Yeah, very precious though. Could be slippery. Here we are. There at the bottom of the falls. Let's go down this way, Gunnar. I'm with you off. Ow, 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 ow. Ow. Okay, sorry. Got manhandled. Come on, buddy. That's really pretty. It's kind of hard seeing right now. Trees. Not as overgrown as I expected. Way too crazy to get here. But I guess all the foot traffic, like I said, you know, it's not a secret anymore. Yeah. Hit the waterfall of Lake Fayetteville, I want to call it that. I'm sure there's an official name for this, but I don't think I ever seen where it said a name of this fall. Yeah, middle of town. I got it. Way too crazy to get here. But I guess all the foot traffic, like I said, you know, it's not a secret anymore. Yeah. hit the water. Right, here's a little well house or bathhouse. Watch out for vipers. They're flying down here. Alright, we're gonna go in and check it out. So, come here, buddy. The spring house flows yearly. Summertime, wintertime, springtime, same amount of flow. And you see there's a bathtub in there. It's mud right now, huh, buddy? Wow, there's a lot of mud. But they did have this place locked up, but it's clear now. So, okay, buddy. Oh, how are we gonna do this? You go first. You go first. Good boy. Hey, go. You get your water? You get spring water? Nice fresh spring water? Yeah? Alright. So that's locomotion right there. Right. I mean, that's about wrap it up. I mean, it's a little quick hidden gem of Lake Fayetteville. You ever wonder how you get down to the bottom of the falls? That's how you do it. Till next time, see ya. They're always a heavy spot. Look at them. They're gonna move.